Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So friend, today we will discuss about the what is the right option for the flooring, tile floor or a marble floor. So friend, when you walk into any room, your advancing steps are welcomed by the floor in front of you. Floor are one of the first things that make an impact of you as you enter any room. If you don't like anything in your room, from decoration to the wall color to the furniture, it's quite easy to get it changed. But the same does not apply to the flooring. Changing your floor treatment is a challenging and time-taking process. Hence, choosing your flooring needs significant consideration and care. You might get confused about whether to go for a tile floor or marble floor. And so, we are here to ease your confusion. Feeling about choosing marble or tile on the floor? Here, we bring you a detailed description and comparison of both surface material that will help you make the best choice suitable to your specific home condition. Understanding these differences will help you make the right choice and choose an option that is just right for your needs. So friends, let's discuss about which is the better flooring option for your home. If you talk about the marble, so marble is a natural stone and tile is made of clay and then polished. And cost of marble is expensive and cost of floor tile is affordable. But marble is a primary used on the floor and tiles is used to cover roof, floor and walls and outdoors. Marble is porous and easy to get stains, but tiles is stain resistant. And if you talk about the load of the marble is difficult to load and is less heavier to install, but floor tile is easier to load and install also. Marble installation is difficult and long, but floor tile installation is shorter and easier. In marble, wastage is more. Cut piece and a small piece of marble comes more, but in tiles, wastage is less. And marble is not suitable for the cold climate. If you are living in cold climate, then you should go for the tiles that is suitable for all the climate. And compared to tiles, marble is difficult to clean and maintain, but tiles is easier to clean and maintain also. So friends, here we have discussed about the marble and the tiles. If you are willing to spend time on maintenance in return for the graceful, long-lasting beauty of the natural stone, then consider investing in marble. If you plan on having a house that is exclusive yet low maintenance, then tiles are the best option for you. So friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel for the civil related knowledge. Thanks for watching.